What's up? Brought you another one. It's Christmas time.
I love Christmas.
305. Let's go.
On the first day of Christmas, my papi gave to me.
What did he give you?
The brand new Otto CD.
Oh my God.
On the second day of Christmas, my sugar daddy gave to me.
What?
Dos tetas nuevas and a
tits,
brand
bro?
new Otto CD.
For real?
On the third day of Christmas, my pimp daddy gave to me.
What?
Tres jevas buenas, dos
Karla, when you
tetas
become a
nuevas
lesbian,
and
bro.
a brand new Otto CD.
Hi.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my papi gave to me.
Did you go to Florida Cosmetic
Four
Surgery?
rings of spinning check, jeva buena,
This song
dos
is so
tetas
hot,
nuevas,
bro.
and a brand new Otto CD.
Oh yeah.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my dentist gave to me.
What did he give you?
5 golden teeth.
I like your grill.
4 rims of spinning, tres jeva buena, dos tetas nuevas, and a brand new Otto CD.
What's up?
On the sixth day of Christmas, this fuckboy gave to me 6 STDs.
Ew, Karla, ew. I have ADD. No one wants to hear about your STD. Or you jump to 12, bro. Karla. Otto. Tipo está fumado, Karla. Thank you, Santa.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my papi gave to me 12 cajas china, 11 strippers, now 10 chocas twerking, 9 Winwood Hiltons, 8 balls of blow, 7 pastelitos, 6 STDs, 5 golden teeth.
I knew those girls were real, bro.
4 rims of spinning, 3 jeva buena, dos tetas nuevas, and a brand new Otto CD. Thank you, papi.
Happy Hanukkah and Merry Christmas from the 305. Ho, ho, ho.
Who you calling a hoe, guy?
Yeah. Triangle.